Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add image carousel, move like marquee style in Elementor WordPress. So we don't want to move or slide image one by one in Elementor, but we want all images move or slide like marquee style, like continuous moving or motion. So we are going to add it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So if you want to add image carousel, that image will move or slide one by one, but we don't want that style. So we are going to install this plugin. Now you see premium advanced for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and then in search widget write advanced carousel. Now you see advanced carousel widget from premium advanced for Elementor. Now you see PA. So drag and drop here like this. Now you see widget edit and then you see images moving like marquee style continuous motion, not move like one by one. Now you see carousel card, so you can add images. Now click on it and then you see item name. If you want you can add it, media type image, image fit, cover, position. If you want you can add link. Now you see width, so you can add setting according to requirement. Now you see height, so we are going to add image, choose image. Now select this. So we added image. Now you see. Now we select image fit, cover, fill, contain. So we select contain. So you can add according to requirement, or if you want you can set width. Now you see 100 pixel. Set center, and then you see background type, border radius, padding, margin. So you can add according to requirement. So we are going to add more images. If you want you can set width and height for advanced carousel images globally. Now you see alignment, center, spacing. So we are going to add 40. Now you see edit. Now you see we added height globally 50 pixel. Now you see, and then you see spacing we added 50 pixel for desktop. So you can set for mobile also. Click on it. Now you see mobile portrait, tablet. Now you see layout looking good. Now you see advanced settings, so click on it and then you see animation, infinite, layout, horizontal, vertical, height. You can set speed, animation direction, normal, reverse, pause on hour. Now you see enable fading color, so it's up to you. And then you see trigger animation on scroll. Now you see light box. If you want you can open this image when user click on it, so it's up to you. Now go to style. Now you see images, CSS filter, hover CSS filter, play icon, media info, item. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see style, images are moving like infinite loop, not one by one. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.